Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Smia's kitchen. Today we are going to make Arabic style mutton mandi recipe. I hope you all will love this recipe, so keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get all my videos as notifications. For the ingredients, check out the description box below. For the mandi masalas, take 5 bay leaves, 3 by 4 tablespoons of black pepper, half tablespoons of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of cumin, half tablespoons of cloves, half tablespoons of cardamom, 4 sticks of cinnamon and 1 black cardamom, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. In a cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 tablespoon of butter, add 2 chopped onions and mix it well. Add 1 kilogram of mutton, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and salt as required. The mandi masalas which I showed in the first have to be mixed in a bowl and set aside. Now from that mandi mix, take 1 tablespoon and add it to the cooker. Now add 3 glasses of water. Close the lid and wait until 4 to 5 whistles. Now we can take the remaining mandi masalas and put it in a mixie jar with some like half dry lemon and grind it well. Now our grinded mandi masala is ready. We have to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric and mix it well. After 4 to 5 whistles, the mutton is boiled and now we have to take it in a tray. Separate the mutton in a tray. Take half teaspoon of saffron in a bowl and you can add either the water or the mutton stock. Now we can take half glass of mutton stock and add pepper and salt and serve it as a soup. Add 1 dry lemon. Now we can add the soaked basmati rice. Now we can take the boiled mutton and add the saffron water. Add half tablespoon of mandi spice. Now we can add the remaining saffron water. Again we can add 1 tablespoon of mandi masala. Take the boiled mutton in a tray and wrap it with the foil and grill it for 15 minutes. Now our rice is ready. Now our mutton is also ready. Now take this grilled mutton and keep it in the side of the rice, and then take one foil and keep the charcoal and add some olive oil so that you will get a smoky flavor in the mutton. For making the chutney, take 2 chopped tomatoes, 2 garlic pods, 2 green chilies, quarter cup of coriander leaves, and add salt as required and grind it well in a mixie grinder. Serve the rice with the yogurt, tomato chutney, and some soup. Delicious Arabic style mutton mandi recipe is ready to serve. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Do try this in your home and comment down below. If you like this recipe, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. I'll be back with another recipe in the next video. So thanks for watching.